Hi, I'm Dr. Bindu Stalekar, dermatologist and cosmetologist. Today I'm going to tell you about skincare in your 20s. Now you'll ask me, why do we have to have skincare in our 20s? Your skin is at its best in your 20s. So do you need to take care of it? Well, the answer is yes. So, prevention. We are now helping to prevent aging as much as possible. So first and foremost is sunscreen, including sunscreen in your skincare routine. Sunscreen, you can start with using a physical sunscreen which contains zinc oxide, and nowadays you can also use sunscreens containing iron oxide, so you get a little tinted sunscreens which help to even protect you from blue light, because a lot of people are working from home and they are exposed to their digital devices. So blue light, which is a form of ultraviolet light, which is high energy ultraviolet rays emitted from your digital devices, that also can cause pigmentation. So you need to prevent that from aging your skin, and so sunscreen is very, very important. Remember to reapply the sunscreen every 3 hours. You can use an SPF 30 or an SPF 50. Reapply the sunscreen. Make sure you're applying it on the full face, exposed areas, your ears, and even your neck. Do not forget to include your neck. If you want to maintain this same skin in your 30s, 40s or 50s, start a disciplined skincare routine in your 20s. Why? Because aging starts in the mid-20s. Your skin routine can be minimalistic, but it should include AM and PM. All of you all know the AM and PM, but the AM routine can be cleanser, can be a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. A vitamin C serum can be included in the morning if you have pigmentation or if you're exposed to sunlight. The night routine or the PM routine has to be retinoids, but make sure that you do not apply the vitamin C and the retinoids together. Vitamin C serum can be applied in the morning. It's an antioxidant. It helps to mop up the free radicals, and the retinoids have to be used at night. One word of caution regarding retinoids, which has to be incorporated in your night routine. If you are planning a baby or if you are pregnant, do not use retinoids, and they are contraindicated, so refrain from using it. Now, are we forgetting something? Yes, we are forgetting your eyes. Eyes are the first areas which show your age. You may have dark circles, you may have puffiness, you may have crepey skin, you may have crow's feet, or you may have nothing. So whether you have great under eye skin or whether you have any of these problem areas, do not forget to include a moisturizer or any eye creams under the eyes. Do use the eye creams. Make sure you do not rub vigorously, because that will aggravate the crepiness or it will make your skin looser. So incorporate a moisturizer around the eyes. This will help even in decreasing the puffiness, or in fact in reducing even the dark circles. If you do have acne or you do have pigmentation, then please visit your dermatologist and treatment will be given to you in the clinics. Chemical peels will be given. They are very safe under a dermatologist's supervision, and chemical peels which are given to you will be chemical peels containing glycolic acid or salicylic acid, but the glycolic acid would be about 20, 30, 40, 50%, and they are very, very safe. Or even retinol peels can be given, can be used on you. These are very safe, but remember, you cannot do it at home. It has to be under a dermatologist's supervision. I hope you found this information helpful, and now you know which product will be used when and which will be useful for your skin type and your skin issues. Until then, stay tuned, stay glamorous.